In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit nodes in Inkscape like a professional. Whether you are a beginner just starting out or an experienced designer looking to refine your vector workflow, mastering the Node tool is the single most important skill you can have in Inkscape. If this video helps you improve your design skills, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel grow. Alright, let's get started. To begin, we need to activate the Node tool. You can do this by clicking the icon in the left toolbar or simply by pressing the keyboard shortcut N. Once the tool is active, click on your path to reveal the nodes. If you happen to be working with a rectangle, a circle, or even text, those are currently objects, not paths. To edit their nodes, you must first press Ctrl plus Shift plus C on your keyboard. This shortcut, known as Object to Path, converts those parametric shapes into editable vector points. Now that your nodes are visible, let's go over some basic editing actions. To move a node, simply click and drag it to a new location. This will change the overall silhouette of your path. If you want to keep your movements perfectly horizontal or vertical, hold the Control key while you drag. To adjust the curves of your segment, click on a node to reveal its control handles. These are the circular handles extending from the node point. Drag these handles to change the curve intensity and the direction of the line. Interestingly, you don't always have to touch the nodes directly. You can simply click and drag the line segment itself between two nodes to bend it and reshape the curve directly. As you work, you will need to change the behavior of these nodes using the Tool Controls bar at the top of your screen. A corner node, which you can create by pressing Shift-C, creates a sharp point where the handles move independently of each other. If you want a fluid, graceful curve, use a smooth node by pressing Shift-S. This forces the handles to stay in a perfect straight line. For even more precision, you can use the Symmetric node option, which ensures both handles are always the exact same length, or the Auto Smooth node, which automatically recalculates the curve as you move it around. Sometimes you will need to add or remove detail from your drawing. To add a new node, just double-click anywhere on an existing line segment. If you want to get rid of a point, select it and press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. If you have two separate nodes that you want to merge into one, select them both and click the Join Selected Nodes icon in the top toolbar. Conversely, if you need to create an opening in your shape, select a node and click the Break Path at Selected Nodes icon. Before we wrap up, I want to share a few pro tips for working faster. If your drawing has too many points and looks jagged, press Ctrl-L. This is the Simplify command, and it reduces the node count while maintaining your general shape. If you need to select a specific group of nodes that are close together, hold the Alt key and drag your mouse to use the lasso selection feature. Using these shortcuts like N for the tool, Ctrl plus Shift-C for conversion, and Ctrl plus L for simplifying will drastically speed up your creative process. And that is how you edit nodes in Inkscape effectively. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more vector design content. See you in the next one.